Good evening, traders. I hope you're all having a nice weekend. If you have taken my last Bitcoin analysis, then congratulations, you have made some money out of it. So, if you haven't seen my analysis yet, then I'll put the link up there. You can go and check it out. So, let's do a quick analysis on natural gas. Here you can see, so in my last video, I have said the market's gonna hit 5.160, which has been hit already, even though the market shoots up all the way towards 5.240. Let's check the next point for natural gas quickly. So here you can see we have a nice engulfer candle which engulfs the previous red candle, so which also shows us a bullish pressure. If we pull out our Fibonacci tool here again just to check another confluence, just remove this one from here for now. If it gives a pullback here, so on a 4-hour time frame, looks like we had a pullback. It barely touched over 50% retracement, and here you can see the 50% retracement has been acting as a resistance here, this candle and this candle as well, and this is acting as a resistance here. It's more likely to act as a support now. If we see a pullback back to this level once and twice, here we have a buffer zone here. And if we have a pullback like these once and twice, and if the candle is not breaking below this level, you're more likely to see the next move towards 5.377. That would be the next move according to me. If it won't break this pink zone here, which is pink zone is 5.162 till 5.112. I'm expecting to see the natural gas going towards this level, which is 5.377 again, which is 161 retracement, and which is a very powerful retracement. And you can see we have a level of resistance here as well, which has been respected here as a resistance and support both. As that's the case, if the market won't open in gap, it might open here at this level straight away, or it might just open here below this support level. If that's the case, then obviously we look for another level. So for now, just keep an eye on this level here. If we have a retest of this level, or it might just go straight towards this point which I've just marked without retesting it, because here I can see a little retest of this level already has been done. So right now my bias for natural gas is bullish. So that's a short analysis on natural gas. I'll keep you guys updated once the market is open. I'll give you a shout. Make sure you keep your notifications on, because whenever I get an entry condition, I just upload a video straight away. So if you have your notifications on, then you can able to get that entry. I hope you get some value out of the videos I'm uploading. If you're getting some value out of the videos, guys, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe if you are new. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below or leave a message on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green next week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.